Welcome to Vehicle Insights. Your car is more than just a machine. It's a partner in keeping you and your loved ones safe on the road. In today's video, we'll uncover 5 must-know car features that could save your life. Let's dive in. Ever been caught off guard by a car hiding in your blind spot? That's where blind spot warning comes in. This system uses sensors to detect vehicles in areas you can't see and alerts you with a light on your side mirrors or a beep if you signal to change lanes. Next up is lane departure warning. This feature uses cameras to track your lane position. If you unintentionally drift, it alerts you with a visual or audible warning, or even a vibration in the steering wheel. Adaptive cruise control takes traditional cruise control to the next level. It not only maintains your set speed, but also adjusts it based on the traffic ahead. Using radar and cameras, it keeps a safe distance between you and the car in front. Automatic emergency braking is like having an extra set of reflexes. If the system detects an imminent collision with another vehicle, pedestrian, or obstacle, it automatically applies the brakes to minimize or avoid impact. Finally, let's talk about the tire pressure monitoring system. Proper tire pressure isn't just about fuel efficiency, it's about safety. Underinflated tires can cause blowouts and reduce control. Tire pressure monitoring system alerts you when your tire pressure drops below safe levels, so you can address the issue before it becomes a hazard. These 5 features might seem simple, but they play a crucial role in preventing accidents and keeping you safe. If your car has them, make sure they're activated. And if you're shopping for a new vehicle, consider these a must-have. Which of these features do you rely on most? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Vehicle Insights. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving car tips.